This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to add an area chart to Looker Studio. So as you can see, I'm on the Looker Studio backend inside a project right here, and I'm just going to click over to page 2 to get a bit more space at the bottom here. So in order to add this area chart, we come up to add a chart. We have all of the different chart options here, including sort of Google Maps. We've got line, we've got the area there, scatter. We have 3 different options for area. There's a whole bunch of different options you can see right here. I mean, Looker Studio is a great piece of software, but we have stacked area right here. We have 100% stacked area chart, and we have the standard area chart, which is the one I'll go for right here. Now we just need to drag and drop where we actually want this chart. And then we can manipulate the size here, bigger or smaller, using these hooks at the bottom here. And you see all of the data by default has been populated here. Now, depending on what kind of data sources you have added, I have a whole bunch of Google Analytics data of websites here, as you can see. You can change your data source right here very easily. You can add a new data source if you want to do so. But depending on your use case, you can change the dimension. So the x-axis currently is date. As you can see here, we have the y-axis is sessions. Now, if I wanted to change that to something different, I can just start searching here. Like if I wanted views, I could click views. And just like that, the whole chart will actually change, and we can see that views is now populated there. So we've also got things like cross filtering. We can filter, we can change the date range filter here. So I've got 28 days currently. We could change that to 7 days or whatever we want to have. But that was a very straightforward video on how to add an area chart to Looker. You are going to select your data source. It will be probably different to the Google Analytics data that I have here. Maybe it's the same. But if you found this video helpful, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.